Hi, welcome. We're at my home. I'm Valerie, and that's Mark.
Hi, Mark.
You're Mark.
I'm
You
Mark.
think so?
Hi, that's good.
This is the Kensington Docking Station.
Oh, this thing's cool.
Yeah, this is really neat. So,
We
if
just got this.
we
Right?
just got this. So, if you're using your laptop and you're looking for
Here,
a
I'll
docking
give you the
station,
box over here.
this is a pretty cool solution.
This is pretty neat. Look at this.
And it's not just for a laptop, right? It can also work with the iPad.
Yeah, you can work with the iPad because it's USB-C.
Oh,
So you plug this into your computer, and it's got that nice. What I like about it's got that nice woven feel. That's instead of it being a plastic sheath on it, it's the cloth or what I don't know what they call it. There's a name for that, isn't there? But it's a lot. It feels a lot more secure. And then they have a little hole in the front where you can like store this if you're not using it. It's like dock it away. It doesn't. There's nothing electrical in it. It's just a place to store this cable while you're talking on the live broadcast. And but it comes with it's a dock, so it comes with a bunch of features. It's got a couple of USB 3.2 ports on it, so these are pretty fast. I think 10 gigabit per second, I believe, is the number. And the other thing is it has USB-C port, so you can hook that up as well. And then on the other side, you have two HDMI ports, so you can run a couple of 4K monitors. Be pretty good. And an Ethernet connection, so 1 gigabit per second Ethernet connection. So everything you'd need, except it has one more thing which is really cool, which is on top here is the what do you say? Key? Is it called key charging?
oh,
QI. I never can pronounce it right. I think it's key.
Key or chi or
Key or chi, but
yeah,
basically there's a little landing pad over here.
yeah.
You can actually hook it up, and the cool thing is, it works with MagSafe. So
Yep,
it's not super strong on the MagSafe, but you can position your phone, and then
well, you're gonna have it
it'll
on your
be
desk, right?
charging.
Because you're using it as a docking station.
Yeah. Now the thing to keep in mind is when you do use it as a docking station, where you want to just hook up the interfaces, you don't have to plug a power adapter into this thing. You can plug into your laptop or wherever, your iPad, and it will connect all those ports into that device or into that PC or the Mac. Now, if you, on the other hand, want to charge up here, if you just plugged in your Mac, you have to flip this little switch up front to the key charging, and then it only charges, it doesn't use the other ports. But if you want to do both, then, like for example, our laptops come with an 85 watt power adapter. You just plug that in, plug it into the USB-C port here, that power, and then you can do both. You can actually have all the ports energized. You can use the charger for your phone. It'll actually charge things through these USB ports. So it's pretty nice, and it's lightweight, right? Not too bad. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's pretty lightweight.
And it's got that cloth on it.
Yeah, I really like that nice cloth. It makes it.
It's just nice,
It
It
feels
looks
nice.
good on your.
It feels classy. It looks nice on your desk, and it's of course it's portable, so you can take it on the road. So if you have to go to the office or you go to a client meeting, it's really nice little setup,
Yeah.
especially if you need to plug into a big monitor.
Yeah. So just keep in mind, you do have to have it doesn't come with it. You have to have an external power supply, 85 watts or more, to charge your laptop with.